Today is July 21st, Sunday, 2024. I'm over here at Southern Kitchen. Me and two of my kids, we over here at Southern Kitchen over here in Tacoma, Washington. If y'all in Tacoma, come check them out, man. You know, it's good food, decent price, but definitely worth it. You're in Tacoma, come check it out, man.
It'll be our first time.
First time trying this.
All right, open it up. Let's show them, these folks what we got. Oh, and this is the damage right here. We just got the 6th Street platter and added on some yams and some cornbread dressing. That cornbread dressing, that's what Guy Fury, he said it was the shiznit. I ain't never had it personally. I've had all the other sides. We're waiting for this dude right here to open it up.
Yummy.
So turn it around and don't drop it, man. That'll look so bad if you dropped it on camera. So that's the catfish strips and some fried chicken.
And then hush puppy.
Okay. All right, next. Put it up there. What we got next, man?
Oh, let me see.
Show the camera.
We got
Bro,
pancakes.
show the camera.
Bro, shut up.
Can you turn it around?
You shut up.
There's a pancake.
No, it's a hot cake.
Exactly.
Bro, Leah, stop talking. Hot cake, yams, and greens.
Oh boy, I don't like that the yams and the juice is in there together, but all right. No, it's gonna spill. There you go.
Alright, so now this is the last one. Let's see. So I got the mac and cheese.
Pancake.
Come on, man, we can't see anything. Turn it around.
Oh yeah. We got the mac and cheese.
This way. Look, we can't see anything. We on camera, remember? You have to lift it up and show everybody. There you go.
And then this is the cornbread dressing, and then some mac and cheese.
Look good.
Mhm.
All right. But this is what we definitely need. I need you to go in there and go get us some pepper.
Wait, we got pepper.
Then we're
right
gonna
here.
tell y'all what we think of the food. We're gonna give y'all the review real quick.
Yeah, look. The pepper.
So, what do y'all think about the catfish?
Good.
Overall, I rate it a 6.5 out of 10.
Catfish busting to me.
Mhm. The mac and cheese is good. The greens, okay. I haven't tried the yams yet or the cornbread.
Try it.
I like the cornbread thing. The yams are good. And
Cornbread dressing.
So, the whole thing got lit.
Cornbread.
it's a 9.
Cornbread dressing is good. Mm-hmm. Mac and cheese. Nice and cheesy. It was baked. Try some of the chicken. Falling off the bone. Nice and juicy. Let's get some of these greens. They gave us a lot of greens, not too much mac and cheese. Some greens alright. But I understand a lot of people ain't putting a lot of salt in their stuff like that.
Yep, come try this.
Mm-hmm.
If you're in the Tacoma area.
The yams. The yams on point, they falling apart in your mouth like butter. Oh my goodness. Them yams ain't playing no games. Mm-hmm. And the corn cake is good. Yeah, overall, I give them a 7 out of 10. 7.5. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now them yams make it an 8. Mm-hmm. Try to hush puppy before we go.
Yeah, what?
That's a hard no on the hush puppy. Peace out. Like this video, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Peace out.